Selecting the location of an apartment within its building is the last step before filling out an application, and until now, interactive property maps were expensive to create and didn't reliably work on mobile devices. SightMap solves your mapping problem. SightMap is an interactive property map that can be deployed to any website. It works with any kind of building, from a garden style to a high-rise, and users can self-select units and filter by specific criteria, enabling them to apply for their new home without ever visiting the community. SightMap users can filter by price, move-in date, and custom options like finish packages and apartment amenities. Users can easily view available units by floor through a number of floor selection controls, including building elevation images. Hovering over an apartment allows a user to quickly see size and pricing information, along with a thumbnail of the floor plan. A detailed content panel displays even more unit information and includes call-to-action details like contact forms, click-to-chat features, and links to online applications. When applying, users are taken to the application page of the specific apartment they're interested in, eliminating the need to search again with confusing online leasing software. SightMap even supports revenue management pricing, which allows a user to select their lease term and move-in date directly from the map. SightMap integrates with any third-party pricing software and supports any number of configuration issues to sync with the prices on your website. Maps can be embedded seamlessly and styled to match your website design, or integrated more deeply into an existing apartment search workflow. The maps are responsive and scale to whatever size of the device they're accessed on, whether it's a phone, tablet, or computer. SightMap can be integrated with custom websites and most apartment website platforms. Adding SightMap to any website is as easy as uploading a video to YouTube. Maps can be dropped into your website as is, or deeper integrations can be enabled for better user experience by using either a JavaScript or a query string API. To simplify SightMap integration, we've created a thorough developer portal, and our implementation team is available to walk you through the process step by step. In the developer portal, you'll find full documentation for API integration, including best practices for the ideal user experience. Using Google Data Studio, SightMap collects data from your map and presents it in a way that makes it easy for you to take action. Analytics reports are tied directly to your map, allowing you to see user metrics and determine which apartments your users are viewing and how long they spend viewing them. SightMap makes it easy to gauge demand for certain locations within your community, and new SightMap features are released on a monthly basis at no extra cost to subscribers. Nowadays, renters don't want to browse, they want to search. Floor plans are meaningless by themselves, yet most apartment websites still rely on them to tell their story. By enabling users to start their search with filters and prices, SightMap shortens the leasing process and helps prospective renters find the info they want. Visit Engrain.com to schedule a more thorough demonstration.